manual for this trailer says you need to grease every 12,000 miles. We are going to do every oil change on the truck, grease every point on the trailer. Alright guys, we're going to go over how to grease all the grease points on this trailer. So we've got 2 on each jack handle. Need about 5 pumps per grease zerk. And before you put the grease in, you make sure you wipe these down really good with a paper towel. And moving on, you're going to tilt the bed open. And you're going to see that we have 1 grease point right here. This is for the lever. And we have 1 here, 1 here. As we go over to this side, you're going to see we've got 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. These are probably going to need anywhere from 1 to 5 pumps as well. Just go until you see the grease come out the side. You can wipe off the excess with a shop towel and be good to go. Now that the video about greasing is over, you can enjoy some silky smooth cinematic drone video project we did in Texas. You can see a lovely 2 megawatt generator sitting right there, along with some outdoor switchgear. And yeah, just sit back, relax, watch that drone do the work. Enjoy.